Hi. Okay. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Jingdiao seminar, online seminar today. And I'm very happy to see you online. And first, I'd like to make a self-introduce. I'm Chen from Jingdiao Group, and I'm responsible for the marketing depth of the group. Today, I'm really happy to meet you online, and on behalf of Jingdiao Group, I'm very glad to welcome you to join our online seminar today and tomorrow. And today, I also want to give sincere thanks to our partner to organize this event and build this platform that we can communicate with our friends and customers online. Okay, so back to the topic, we will share today and tomorrow our introduction of Beijing Jingdiao Group and one of the group's most outstanding technology, IM, which is short for in-machine measurement and intelligent modification technology. Okay, so for today, our topic is the introduction of Beijing Jingdiao Group. You may not hear about us before or just know a little about us. You may also have some questions like, who is Jingdiao? What are Jingdiao capable and what kind of products and services they can provide for me? You will find all these answers to these questions in my following sharing. So let's watch a video first and build an overview of Jingdiao. Let's back forward a little bit. Okay. Okay, so this is a brief introduction video about the group. There seems to be some technical issue about the video, and maybe you cannot hear about the sounds of the video, and we will post the video onto our YouTube account after the seminar so that you can check the video later.
Machine tool enterprises to achieve value and scale
So in
effect.
this short video, we
Beijing
know that
Jingdiao has built large-scale precision
Jingdiao is a
CNC
machine tool
machine tool
builder.
production
Its main
bases with lean
product is
manufacturing
high-precision machining
capabilities in
centers.
Beijing and Langfang,
And our
capable
business
of producing
scopes
2,000 to
includes
3,000
R&D,
medium-sized Jingdiao
production,
high-speed machining
and sales
centers and
of precision
3,000
CNC
to
machine
5,000
tools,
medium
as well
cutting
as
Jingdiao
providing
high-speed precision
digitalized
motorized
machining.
spindles annually, which guarantees its rapid response to market demand. Manufacturing capability is the most crucial factor for machine tool enterprises to achieve value and scale effect. Beijing Jingdiao has built large-scale precision CNC machine tool production bases with lean manufacturing capabilities in Beijing and Langfang, capable of producing 2,000 to 3,000 medium-sized Jingdiao high-speed machining centers and 3,000 to 5,000 medium cutting Jingdiao high-speed precision motorized spindles annually, which guarantees its rapid response to market demand. Manufacturing capability is the factor for machine tool enterprises to achieve value and scale effect. Beijing Jingdiao has built large-scale precision CNC machine tool production bases with lean manufacturing abilities in Beijing and Langfang, capable of producing 2,000 to 3,000 medium-sized Jingdiao high-speed machining centers and 3,000 to 5,000 medium cutting Jingdiao high-speed precision motorized spindles annually, which guarantees its rapid response to market demand. Manufacturing capability is the most crucial factor for machine tool enterprises to achieve value and scale effect. Beijing Jingdiao has built large-scale precision CNC machine tool production bases with lean manufacturing capabilities in Beijing and Langfang, capable of producing 2,000 to 3,000 medium-sized Jingdiao high-speed machining centers and 3,000 to 5,000 medium cutting Jingdiao high-speed precision motorized spindles annually, which guarantees its rapid response to market demand. Manufacturing capability is the most crucial factor for machine tool enterprises to achieve value and scale effect. Beijing Jingdiao has built large-scale precision CNC machine tool production bases with lean manufacturing capabilities in Beijing and Langfang, capable of producing 2,000 to 3,000 medium-sized Jingdiao high-speed machining centers and 3,000 to 5,000 medium cutting Jingdiao high-speed precision motorized spindles annually, which guarantees its rapid response to market demand. Manufacturing capability is the most crucial factor for machine tool enterprises to achieve value and scale effect. Beijing Jingdiao has built large-scale precision CNC machine tool production bases with lean manufacturing capabilities in Beijing and Langfang, capable of producing 2,000 to 3,000 medium-sized Jingdiao high-speed machining centers and 3,000 to 5,000 medium cutting Jingdiao high-speed precision motorized spindles.
Okay, there seems to be some internet issue a few moments before, and now it's solved. So let's watch the introduction of Beijing Jingdiao Group video together.
Connecting the world with precision machining. In every aspect of our daily lives, products of all kinds continue to improve the quality of life. And these products are made up of parts, and parts cannot be created without the manufacturing industry. Many companies in the manufacturing industry have been working tirelessly to ensure the accurate, efficient, and stable production of parts to meet the needs of upstream customers, maintain supply chain stability and ensure product performance and quality. As a manufacturing enterprise, Beijing Jingdiao is not an exception. Over the past 30 years since its establishment, it has always insisted that product development should return to the original position of a machine tool, a tool used for machining parts, and that it should focus on the original needs of customers, to be able to deliver, on time, with quality and quantity. By providing customers with high-precision CNC machine tools and comprehensive CNC engineering services, it promotes the better development of both customers and the whole industry. Jingdiao precision CNC machine tools can stably achieve 0.1 micron feeding, 1 micron cutting, nanoscale surface roughness, to meet the needs of micron-level precision parts processing. Jingdiao CNC engineering services are based on Jingdiao unique in-machine automation working mode, and provide mature CNC engineering solutions according to the needs of customers inside the industry. In order to achieve the above goals, over the past 3 decades, Beijing Jingdiao has established a product R&D system that is close to the needs of customers, independently completing the R&D of key core components and core technologies of machine tools, and realizing the integration of electromechanical software. A large-scale production system with lean manufacturing capabilities has been established, with a precision CNC machine tool production base of over 500,000 square meters. The machine tool host and key functional components are produced by self-developed equipment, with manufacturing and assembly accuracy controlled at the micron level. We have helped customers make good use of the application technology service system of Jingdiao machines, established a technical service team of over 1,200 people, and provided professional, timely, and efficient technical services to customers at home and abroad. The human resources system of digital technology application is supported, and accumulated over 20,000 talents who master digital technology to the industry through independent education, school enterprise cooperation, and hosting industry competitions. Nowadays, Jingdiao high-speed machining centers have achieved large-scale application in the Chinese machining industry, helping manufacturing enterprises truly achieve micrometer-level parts large-scale and efficient processing. Mountains and seas are not really barriers for sincere cooperation. In the future, we hope to work together with our European manufacturing partners to contribute our share to the development of the industry. Let's connect the world with precision machining. Join hands to create a brand new future.
Okay, so this slide shows 3 main basements we built in China. The first one is the headquarters of the group in Beijing. And the second one is manufacturing basement in Langfang, a city not far from Beijing. And the third one is our second largest R&D center in Xi'an, which locates at the central part of China. And the largest R&D center is in Beijing, is in our headquarters. And this picture shows an award we won in 2023. This award is the highest award in China's industrial field, approved by the State Council. Among all the Chinese companies in industrial field, only 45 companies won this award, and many companies are country-owned, but Jingdiao is a private company, which makes us more special among all the winners. This picture shows our global branches, global footprints of Beijing Jingdiao Group. Nowadays, we have more than 40 branches in China, and we also build branches or offices in United States, in Germany, in Vietnam, and in Malaysia in order to sell our machine tools to foreign customers and also to provide services to our foreign customers. And these achievements are gained from 30 years hard working since 1994, when the company was founded. Yet back to the foundation of the company, our first product was CNC engraving machine. And there is a small story I'd like to share with you that's related to the reason why we developed the engraving machine. This small story also lays the foundation for the development and business philosophy of our company. And we can also tell from this story what makes Jingdiao special and what are the advantages we benefit from since the beginning. Well, this story happens in the period of China's reform and opening up. I can only tell you this story orally because we don't have any pictures or videos. As back in that time in China, we Chinese people don't use smartphones to take record of our daily life. So we don't have any pictures or videos about this product and about the company's picture record. Yeah. So let's back to the story. In that time, in order to boost the Chinese economy, private was allowed to operate business. And the founder of Jingdiao was working in the field of precision machinery industry. Yet his working was software development, as he learned computer science and software engineering in university. Every time he developed a new software, he needed to wait for the corresponding circuit board to do the experiment. However, he found the precision of the circuit board was not good, because the circuit was chemically corroded for most situations. So how to improve the precision of the circuit board? He did some research and found out machining by cutting tool is a solution, as there were increasing demand for circuit boards at that time in China. And after a thorough research, he decided to start a business to research and develop and sell engraving machines to those who were making circuit boards. Since he has a background in computer and software engineering, he developed the CAM software for circuit board machining by himself. And in order to realize the machining, he found a partner to design the mechanical structure. And this is the very first product Jingdiao has. At that time, this first CNC engraving machine didn't become a big seller, but it did come out from real market needs. And this module for product development based on market demand is the business philosophy Jingdiao has adhered to until now. In the later development of Jingdiao, the launch of each of our products and the research and development of each technology are the same as our original engraving machine, which is done according to the needs of the market. Another special advantage we have been holding on to from the establishment to the present is we do the software and hardware R&D since the foundation, and we are still deepening this R&D model and the combination between software and hardware. I will give you detailed introduction to this R&D result later. But back to the history of Beijing Jingdiao. After the introduction of the first CNC engraving machine to the market, the company followed the market demand in the following years and launched engraving machines for the processing of small mold parts and electro parts, mainly use small tools for the processing of small features on the parts. Until about 2010, the company's CNC engraving center entered Apple's production system, and the unique IM technology of our machines was used in the processing of highlight chamfering on iPhone, and the company ushered in a large-scale development. In this development process, we are still doing our own CAD/CAM software and CNC system and machine tool chemical structure. We have also developed the R&D direction of key components, such as spindle, rotary table, tool magazine, etc. And we also established our own manufacturing system and self-service system in this period. Though the market in consumer electronics industry was prosperous at that time, the company was not satisfied with this and didn't stop the pace of development. We began to carry out the R&D of Jingdiao high-speed machining centers in 2012, mainly for the field of high-precision machining. In 2017, we officially launched Jingdiao high-speed machining centers to the market. After 6 years of R&D, now Jingdiao high-speed machining centers have formed a very complete and mature product system. So what kind of machines are included in our product system? Let's move to the next part, Jingdiao's main product. The main products of Jingdiao are Jingdiao Precision CNC Machining Centers, including Jingdiao High-Speed Machining Centers and Jingdiao CNC Machining Centers, both of which are independently developed by Beijing Jingdiao. And so far, we have launched more than 300 models on the market, with over 10,000 customers holding 120,000 units of Jingdiao machines. The products are widely applied in precision models, precision parts, 3C structural components, medical devices, automotive electronics, and other industries. And the core technological products, overall structure, and key components of Jingdiao Precision CNC Machining Centers are all independently developed and manufactured by Jingdiao, such as what we can see on this slide: the machine tools, mechanical structure, the motorized spindle, the rotary table, the tool magazine, and also the control system, the Jingdiao CAM software, the Jingdiao DNC system, and the Jingdiao Precision Drive system, and Jingdiao Precision Refrigerator. The company boasts independent intellectual property rights of all of them and has realized mass manufacturing for these applications. And based on the complete R&D system covering mechanical, electrical, and software aspects, Jingdiao has formed 2 outstanding advantages. The first one is the machining accuracy of Jingdiao high-speed machining centers can stably reach micron level. And this video shows some test parts that can be batch produced by Jingdiao high-speed machining centers. Let's watch the video first. These are some test parts that are machined by our high-speed machining centers. And from this video, we can see that the dimensional accuracy of these parts can reach around 5 micron, and the nano surface can reach nanometer, and the surface roughness can reach nanometer. And these test parts were made to show that the precision machining capability of our machine tools. And I'd like to introduce the following two parts in more detail. The first pair of parts are machined in Jingdiao 3-axis high-speed machining centers. First, let's watch the video as well. We can tell from the video that this is a pair of parts that were made from like a concave part and a convex part, and each pair can fit in 4 directions, and different pairs can fit interchangeably, also in 4 directions. And when we cut these two parts along the diagonal, the two parts fit seamlessly, as the fitting accuracy is less than 5 micron. And this test part can be batch produced with Jingdiao 3-axis high-speed machining centers. And the video goes viral on Chinese social media. More than 10 million times it has been watched. And when we post the video on foreign social media, it also wins likes from some really famous company. And the next pair of parts is also seamless fitting. What's different from the first pair is these two parts are machined with Jingdiao 5-axis high-speed machining centers. Let's watch the video. We can also tell from this video that the parts are combined from a concave part and also a convex part. And the single pair can fit in 4 directions, and different pair of these parts can fit interchangeably as well. The fitting accuracy between these two parts is 5 micron. And in order to prove that the fitting accuracy is only 5 micron, we also did a small experiment in this video. We fit these two parts together and then put these two parts on a non-magnetic part. Because the fitting accuracy is only 5 micron, it creates a vacuum space between its two parts, and it can lift a non-magnetic part. In order to show that the fitting accuracy is really precision between its two parts. So these two pairs of parts are the most vivid examples of the micron-level machining accuracy of Jingdiao high-speed machining centers. And this is also the first advantage Jingdiao machine has. As for the second advantage, it's quite unique, and we would like to say we are also very proudly because only Jingdiao can realize it. Still, before the introduction, I'd like to invite you to watch a video first. These are eggs I just bought from the market. Today I want to engrave ASML on the surface of these eggs. First, I will write down ASML in the software and press this button to generate the NC program. Now the program is in the control system. I will randomly select an egg and clamp it in the machine tool. Now I will open the NC program in the control system. Press the start button. Now let's wait a few minutes. The egg will be finished. Now the egg is finished. Let's see how it looks. ASML has already been engraved on the surface of this egg. In this short video, we are demonstrating Jingdiao's IM technology through a very interesting case, egg engraving. And if we replace the egg with precision parts, this technology also works. We will introduce this technology in detail tomorrow. And what we want to show today is based on this technology. A unique machining mode is introduced to the precision machining industry. We call it Jingdiao in-machine automated production mode. The reason why this mode is essential for the market and customers is we notice that in precision parts machining, machine tools are not cutting continuously, as a lot of work needs to be done by operator. For example, set the coordinate of the part, measure the part's dimensional accuracy or allowance, set the length of the cutting tools, and compensate the radius of ball and cutting tools if you want to realize micro-level machining. And this works not only influence the continuous machining, but also have effect on the accuracy of the parts. Because in precision machining, the environment in machine needs to be quite stable. And based on all these reasons and the comprehensive R&D system Jingdiao has, we introduce in-machine automated production mode to our customers' workshop in precision industry. And this mode, as I just mentioned, is based on Jingdiao IM technology. Customers can define all the works I just mentioned in Jingdiao CAM software. As we can see here in Jingdiao CAM software. And Jingdiao control system will give the instructions to the sensors we installed in Jingdiao high-speed machining centers. And these sensors are like eyes of the machines and responsible for seeing, which means collecting data, and the smart brain of the machine. Jingdiao control system will calculate, analyze, and make decisions. And if there needs to be compensation after analyzing, the control system will finish the compensation itself. Like the example we saw in egg engraving, control system make compensation to the cutting path intelligently. Thus, in precision machining, operator only needs to fix the part in machine tool, press the start button, and waiting for it's finished and unload the part. The whole machining part is automated. The working rate will increase, and the environment in machine will not be affected by human factors, so that large-scale production of micron parts can be achieved. With Jingdiao high-speed machining centers and its in-machine automated machining mode, we have over 2,000 customers in 30 precision machining industries, and over 60 leading enterprises in these industries use Jingdiao high-speed machining centers. And these customers are the basis we can develop sustainably. So these are some industries that are using our high-speed machining centers, and these are some really famous customers that are using our machine tools from each industry. So beside the recognition from our customers, to promote Jingdiao's development and provide high-quality machine tools to our customers, we have already built our own industrial system as well, including R&D, manufacturing, and service system. So first, let's take a look at the R&D capabilities of Beijing Jingdiao. As we all know, the outstanding R&D capabilities is definitely the driving force for the continuous development of a company. So this is also the reason why we built comprehensive, independent R&D system and covering core technologies, complete machines, and core components. Now we can launch more than 5 new machine tools modules every year.
Excellent R&D capabilities are the impetus for the sustainable development of machine tool enterprises. Adhering to the R&D concept of supporting customers to efficiently use Jingdiao machines, Beijing Jingdiao has set up a basic technology. It reinvests more than 8% of its annual income on technology and product R&D and can launch more than 5 new machine tools every year to meet the diversified needs of the market.
So as we saw in this video, now our R&D directions includes like the mechanical structure of the machine tools, the software development, and also the automation solution development for our customers, almost covering every aspect of the machine tool. And we also invest a lot every year in our R&D system. Just as the video said, we invest around 8% every year of our annual income on R&D, so that we can provide 5 new machine tools models every year to our customers. And the next very important capability of a machine tool company is the manufacturing capability, because the manufacturing capability is what we can realize large-scale production of our machine tool. Let's watch the video first and to get to know what Jingdiao's manufacturing system includes.
Manufacturing capability is the most crucial factor for machine tool enterprises to achieve value and scale effect. Beijing Jingdiao has built large-scale precision CNC machine tool production bases with lean manufacturing capabilities in Beijing and Langfang, capable of producing 2,000 to 3,000 medium-sized Jingdiao high-speed machining centers and 3,000 to 5,000 medium-cutting Jingdiao high-speed precision motorized spindles annually, which guarantees its rapid response to market demand.
What I want to stress here is that from this video, we can tell that Jingdiao has our own casting factories to produce the structural parts of the machine. And we also have our own sheet metal factory to produce the sheet metal of the machine. And we use our own Jingdiao machine tools and Jingdiao automation units and lines to do the finishing process of key parts of the machine, such as column, gantry part, turning of rotary tables, etc. So besides the video, I want to share you this kind of information. And from this video, we can see that the manufacturing capability of machine tools is around 3,000 to 5,000 per year of Jingdiao high-speed 2,000 to 3,000 per year for Jingdiao high-speed machining centers, and 3,000 to 5,000 per year for Jingdiao high-speed motorized spindle, in order to meet the customers' needs and also to meet the market needs in China and also abroad. And in our manufacturing system, as I just mentioned, we have a really comprehensive manufacturing system covering not only die casting manufacturings, but also sheet metal factories. And also we use our own machines to do the finishing process of our key parts. And we also use manual scraping to maintain the flatness of machine body before assembly. And these are what we do to make sure the machining accuracy of key parts of Jingdiao machine tools and assemble accuracy of Jingdiao machine tools can reach micron level. And these pictures also shows that some other methods we use to reach the micron level precision of parts on Jingdiao machine tools. For example, we also use Jingdiao IM in machine tool parts producing as well. And we also use Jingdiao mass system to manage the assemble process in order to make sure that the assemble process of the machine tool goes well and are done by standardized processes. And we also have very detailed and standardized working procedures that workers need to follow strictly during the assemble. And these are all some methods we have to make sure that the precision of Jingdiao machine tool parts can reach micron level, and also the assemble precision of Jingdiao machine tools can reach micron level. And the third very important system in our industrial system is our service system. We build this system is because that we wanna make sure that our customers can use our machine efficiently and also stably. That's the reason why we built a very complete application technology system to help our customers solve their problems on site together. And so far, we have around 1,200 engineers that can provide technical services to our customers in China. And right now, we are also working on the application technology service center in Germany so that we can provide timely service to our customers in Europe in a very short future. For example, we want to help our customers to realize precision milling, precision grinding, and also efficient composite machine, as well as in China. As we build this comprehensive industrial system, it can support Jingdiao to build such high precision machine tools, and also to provide really good quality products to our customers, and also to help our customers to solve their precision machining problems and to fit their needs. So this is what I wanna share with you today about Jingdiao Group. From my sharing, I really wanna let you know that Jingdiao is a high precision machine tool manufacturer that has 30 years history, and we have really comprehensive R&D system and the key components, and also really important accessories and parts of our machine tools are all independently developed and manufactured by ourselves. And right now, Jingdiao high-speed machining centers' precision capabilities can also reach a very high level, can reach micron level stably, and for surface roughness, we can reach nanometer scale. In the future, we really want to have deep cooperation with the customers from Europe, and from maybe some other suppliers or our friends. So that's today's brief introduction. Tomorrow, also at the same time, we will introduce Beijing Jingdiao IM technology and also its featured application. We showed a short video today about the the egg engraving, and as I just mentioned before, the IM can not only used in egg engraving because, well, this is just an interesting case we wanna introduce or we wanna attract the customers' attention. But in real precision machining, IM is really a helpful technology, can help us to improve the machining accuracy. We will introduce this technology in detail from these 5 aspects. The first one is with IM, we can define the coordinate system of complex shaped parts in not only 3-axis machining, but also in 5-axis machining. And also with IM, we can achieve shape-followed machining in batch production, just like the egg engraving cases. And also we can use IM to achieve in-machine inspection and judgment of parts accuracy. And this work is usually done by 3 coordinate measurement machine nowadays, but with IM, we can do it in machine in our Jingdiao high-speed machining center. And the 4th aspect we want to show about IM is with IM, we can do the tool measurement and compensation. Not only flat end tool, but also ball and cutting tool, and also the measurement of grinding wheel and compensation of grinding wheel as well in precision grinding. And the last aspect we want to introduce is with IM, how we can support automatic machining. Because we Jingdiao not only provide machine tools, but also provide automatic solutions to our customers. But in order to realize automatic solution, automatic machining, we need to solve the problem that the machine are not ran continuously first. So with IM, we can realize in-machine automatic machining first, and then to realize the automation, like automation line or automation unit in the next step. So this is the topic we will share in detail tomorrow, and really appreciate that you guys can visit our online seminar tomorrow at the same time. And thank you for your time today. And if you have any questions or if you want to know more about our group, you are very welcome to visit our website or our Facebook and also YouTube. These are the QR code of these 3 social media and our website. You can take a screenshot and scan this QR code after our online seminar today. So that's it, and hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you. If you have any questions, you're also welcome to send email to us or like to ask our machine dealers or our branch in Europe to help to ask them to help you to solve the problem. Okay, thank you. So see ya. Bye.